looks like it's mostly granola and blueberries. I also heated up like a small bowl of leftover chickpea soup to eat with this because I really didn't have that much yogurt. Got a new pair of glasses. These ones are from Firmoo. They actually reached out to me and offered to send me a pair of glasses, and I was so excited because I wear glasses like pretty much every day now. I want to be able to have like different kinds just because I feel like these ones don't match like every single outfit that I have. These ones look so freaking cute on the website. I actually haven't opened them yet. So cute! They kind of look really similar to my glasses now. The only difference is that there is not a nose piece, so I am a little worried about that. Just because I feel like I have a nose bridge where my glasses can fall down easier. Let's see. Oh, they're actually bigger than I thought. These actually have my prescription in them too, and they also have like anti-reflective coating, I think is what it's called. I actually think they look really good. I honestly picked these specific colors because I thought this would look really good for fall time clothing and match a lot of clothing that I was like hoping to buy. They actually fit really nicely too. I think they look good. I'm gonna go ahead and read some more of this book, Pachinko. I'm gonna try and read 20 pages of it just because I haven't been really good at reading it and I have to return it in like 2 weeks. Like I am barely through this book, but I told myself that I would try to make better habits even though it is like close to the end of the year. It's never too late to start, and my goal is to finish at least this one book by the end of the year. Only a little bit of honey. Also add a little bit of lactose-free milk. Just a little because you really don't need that much liquid. My skin is starting to get so much better except for like these two really large cysts. Normally around this time of the year I start losing all my motivation for doing things, so I think my Korea trip this year was a good option because it kind of gave me like a little refresher for my life, I guess. I was really just stuck in the same routine every single day, and it was mostly like me just rotting and then going to work, and I just don't know if I can sustain a life like that for very long. Honestly, that's why I'm planning on getting like so many certificates, is because I want to have a job where I'm like excited to work or doing something that excites me, and not just like doing a typical business corporation job, because that's just not something that fits my personality, I don't think. And I should have thought of that before while I was still in college, but I was just like in such a rush to graduate that I didn't think through it properly, and I really regret it now. But the good thing is I'm still pretty young, so it's not that big of a deal. It just takes a little bit longer than I would have liked. But honestly, I feel like this is the first time that I've like genuinely wanted to do something out of my own accord, really find everything that I've been learning so far really interesting, and I feel like that's good. I feel like that kind of shows me that I'm making the right decision because I'm like genuinely curious, genuinely want to learn, and also trying to work hard. So it's just been on my mind for a while, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it too in case anyone else was having like similar doubts or anything. I'm not going to be doing any face makeup because I want the cysts to heal a little bit better, and if I put makeup they're going to be really irritated. This is the outfit for today. This is a double zip up from yesstyle, and then I have my Zara jeans that I wear all the time. You gotta let go. Maybe it's a little too late, 'cause I already put my all to the table. Everything about me from the get-go. There goes another love song. Hate that it's becoming more usual. Taking things so I just can't control. Baby, I'm capable of it. Then one day, show
such a hair, so upset. Hello, hello, nice to meet you.
You gotta try the strawberry one first?
Strawberry one, yeah.
It just reminds me of like Korean rice cakes, like traditional rice cakes a lot, but this is a lot sweeter for sure.
Yeah, I think I prefer the strawberry over the regular.
Yeah? Light green, like dough cutter. These are actually pretty good shapes for my first time, but I don't know if they're gonna stick. So scared. Oh, I don't even know how I'm gonna be able to pull these up. These look so heavy. But you're supposed to use 2 pairs of tongs and grab. Use this and scoop them out, maybe. By itself? Yeah, that one looks like it's floating up a little bit more than a little vanilla. I'm just like guesstimating all the measurements now. Oh, I took it off the parchment. This is hard to do with one hand.
Yeah, those look better colored. Those the least.
I know, but what do you,
I don't know, it tastes like rice cake. It's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, but these ones look, you feel like they're not cooked all the way. This one is the one that's cooked all the way. This one is better.
Good first attempt.
Also guys, look what I got in the mail. But if you watched like any of my older videos, you would know that I love cognac jelly so much. It was like my favorite snack for so long. And I got this one from Tally. I don't know if it's Tally, but I literally thought they were gonna send me one singular pouch, and they sent me a whole box of their peach jellies to try. Look how huge this is. Like, this is so much cognac jelly. So it says that it boosts skin health, enhances immunity, and supports weight management, which I did not know. Wow, these are so, oh my god. Like, look at that. I got 10 of these! So excited to try these out. I already brushed my teeth for the night though, so I will not be trying it out today. So thank you, Daddy, for sending them. I don't even know if they're gonna see it because I don't think I even gave them my channel name or anything, and they just wanted to send it to me to try. And I was like, okay! This is the mask that I use all the time. I'm almost out of it, but I like to use this to get rid of like all my congested pores. My little face mask. Oh my god, that's so many. Oh my god, these are all filled with cinnamon rolls. Should we eat some?
I already brushed my teeth for the night though, so I will not be trying it out today.
I wish I could make flan. This is like one of the hardest things to make.
This is super creamy.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're gonna like it.
So jiggly.
I have a video.
Mmm, that is so creamy. So good.